Good morning, sir. My name is Rohit Singh. I am from BSc Agriculture first year. My GT topic is sulfur cycle. So first of all, what is sulfur cycle? The sulfur cycle is a biogeochemical cycle that describes the movement of sulfur through the atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. द सल्फर इज एसेंशियल एलिमेंट फॉर ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. जो सल्फर है एक बहुत ही एसेंशियल एलिमेंट है सभी जीवित ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए, और यह एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है बायो केमिकल प्रोसेस में. सल्फर कैन एग्जिस्ट इन वेरियस फॉर्म. सल्फर हमें कई तरीके से मिलता है, जैसे सल्फेट, सल्फाइड्स, एलिमेंट सल्फर एंड ऑर्गेनिक सल्फर कंपाउंड्स. द सेकेंड इज सल्फर सोर्सेज. सल्फर हमें कैसे कैसे प्राप्त होता है. सल्फर से एंटर्स द एटमॉस्फेयर थ्रू नेचुरल प्रोसेस. नेचुरल प्रोसेस से मिलता है लाइक वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन, फॉरेस्ट फायर और बैक्टीरियल मेटाबॉलिज्म. कुछ ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ के भी कारण हमें सल्फर मिलता है, जैसे कि फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस एंड एग्रीकल्चर आल्सो contribute to sulfur emission. Sulfur compound in the atmosphere can undergo chemical reaction and form sulfur dioxide SO2 and hydrogen sulfide H2S. Third one is atmospheric sulfur. Sulfur dioxide can be transferred into sulfate aerosol through atmospheric oxidation condition. Second is sulfate aerosols play a significant role in cloud formation, climate regulation and air quality. Sulfur compounds can also undergo dry and wet deposition, threatening to the earth's surface through precipitation of direct deposition. Sulfur in the hydrosphere. Next point. Sulfur compound in the atmosphere can be washed out by precipitation, leading to acid rain and the deposition of sulfate in aquatic ecosystem. And sulfur is an essential nutrient for aquatic organisms, playing a role in the formation of proteins and amino acids. Sulfur cycle in the hydrosphere is influenced by factors like pH, temperature and the presence of sulfur reducing bacteria. Now is sulfur metabolism in organism. Organism use enzyme like sulfur reducing bacteria and sulfur oxidizing bacteria to facilitate sulfur transformation. Sulfur metabolism in organism involve process like assimilatory, sulfate reduction, dissimilatory, sulfate reduction and sulfide oxidation. Sulfur compounds are cycled between different oxidation states in organism to support various metabolic pathways. Now is human impact on sulfur cycle. मानव का क्या impact है sulfur cycle पे? The human activity like burning fossil fuels and industrial process have to lead to the increase in sulfur emission in environment pollution. Acid rain, smoke and air pollution are some and the conscious of human induced sulfur emission. Effort to reduce sulfur emission through technological advancement and environment regulation have helped mitigate the impact on the sulfur cycle. Sulfur cycle and climate changes. Sulfur compound in the atmosphere can act as both cooling and warming agent, influencing the earth climate. The release of sulfate aerosols from volcanic eruption can lead to temporary cooling effect by reflecting sunlight back into space. Understanding the interaction between the sulfur cycle and climate change is essential for predicting future climate scenario and developing sustainable environment policies. Now is conclusion क्या निकलता है इसका. The sulfur is a complex biogeochemical process that involve interaction between the atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Sulfur will a vital role in functioning of ecosystem and the metabolism of living organisms. Studying the sulfur cycle help us to understand the interconnectedness of Earth system and the impact of human activities on the environment. Thank you, sir.